messed up. Stressed out with no love. But every time I wake up, I get a chance to wake up. Wake up, wake up.
Wake up, little slick, get up out of bed. You was like a couple steps away from being out of here. Thank you for my granny prayers, thank you for my partner them. I thought I was finished, yeah. Jesus told me start again. I would party sundown till day's end, making money that I can't spend. I had a failing marriage and some fake friends. I had to doubt my doubts and let faith in. Was broken, God done brought me out like I was Moses. I'm chosen, woke up Sunday morning feeling focused. Funny acting, swipe left, yeah. That's on mamas, always capping. Swipe left, yeah. No more drama. Boy, you know you blessed. Last night was a mess. God just hit refresh.
God, I got a chance to wake up, wake up. Another day that get my cake up, cake up. Cause every time I wake up, I get a chance to wake up, wake up, wake up. Wow.
Seasons change the colors so quickly, it's hard to keep up with the leaves because everybody leaves. The tree of life is so uncertain and tomorrow has unpredictabilities. Tick tock, the clock is ticking. Is our life just a chase in the wind? May this Sunday morning resonate past trophies and trinkets in the ongoing pursuit of more, to sober us with the humbling truth. My life and your life is just a vapor. And if what you see is all you see, then you do not see all there is to be seen. Quickly, we leave.